Hi, and welcome. Today, I'll show you how to add a Kubernetes cluster using the Emma platform. Step 1. Selecting the project. First, navigate to All Projects, select your project, and go to the Kubernetes section. Click Add Cluster, choose Europe, and then click Add Node. Step 2. Choosing deployment location and configuration. You have two options for adding a node. Using our recommendation engine, which suggests optimal locations based on cost and performance. Manually configuring your cluster, where you select your preferred settings. Let's choose Paris as the location, set Amazon EC2 as the cloud provider, and customize CPU type, CPU count, and memory as needed. Step 3. Adding nodes and customizing resources. Once configured, click Add Node. If you want to add another node in a different location, simply select it. Let's choose Dublin. Here, we see two options for a Kubernetes cluster in Dublin. I'll select one and click Add Node. Step 4. Deploying the Kubernetes cluster. Finally, click Kubernetes cluster, and the order is successfully placed. The deployment process is now underway. And that's it! You've successfully added a Kubernetes cluster using the Emma platform.